Hi YouTubers, this is Wild and I'm gonna show you my Lego gumball machine. So you put in your gumball in there, you can see it, and then you push in a coin, and then here's your marble. So if I tried to pull in a smaller coin, it won't work. It just won't work. So you have to pull in these coins, or bigger coins. So how it works is I pull off this lid and then you can see. So when I push in this, that hits that, and then your gumball comes out. So in order to get out your coins, you just open a lid, as I have this, and then shake out the coins. So here's all the coins. So I believe that's it. Bye.